Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches in screen recording. So first we should go into the settings application and after that scroll down to the advanced features. After that scroll to the screenshots and screen recorder, and now we can see here the screen recorder settings. Now just to switch on the screen touches in screen recording, you should click only once here on the switcher, and if you want to turn off just to switch off the taps on and touches, you should click here once again on the switcher. And also we have the second way how we can open the screen recorder settings. Just first open the notification panel and somewhere here you should find the screen recorder icon. In my case it's here. Now just hold for a while this icon and you'll see the same screen recorder settings, and by this way you can also change it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.